So what is it that you do to take care of yourself? Physically, mentally, do you take on any self-care? Hi, it's Bill. Thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. This is Creative License, and thank you to all of my sponsors like Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner, DJ NTV, Promo Only, the Entertainment Experience Workshops, which is my workshop. If you want to know more about it, I'd love to tell you more. So, do you take care of yourself? If you don't, why? Many of you who watch this, DJs and young professionals, you're young. You're in your 20s, you're in your 30s, and why would you? You haven't had to before, especially if you're a DJ. This is kind of a hard partying lifestyle, and can be. It was for me when I was younger. I got out to the clubs and I ate all the things I wasn't supposed to. I drank all the things I wasn't supposed to. I did some things I wasn't supposed to. But you're young, you're invincible, right? Self-care easily goes out the window. Self-care like exercise, good diet, good sleep, mental well-being, staying well-read, all those things. I mean, what do you do for yourself? Why don't you? Especially when you're starting to become popular, or you're starting to become successful in business. The more successful you become, the less that you take care of yourself, because you work on the business. And the more you work on the business, the more success you begin to see. And all of a sudden, it's like, oh man, I should just work harder because I'm getting all this money. I'm getting all the success. I'm getting all these people to say wonderful things about me. I got it. I do. But take it from a guy who is not 25 anymore. I mean, I'm at least 28. But I've begun taking better care of myself now. And I wish I would have created habits of self-care earlier on in my life and career. I wish I had taken on that I should eat better, that I should exercise every day, that I should probably work on my mental well-being, do some more meditation, get some more sleep and better sleep, learn more about my body and my mind so that I can grow up into an adult, an older adult, and not have any struggles. Because as you get older, the struggles show up whether you want them to or not. I don't have those kind of problems, Bill. I'm not going to worry about it. Well, guess what? Very soon you will. And very soon is sooner than you think when you're in your 20s and your 30s and your 40s. Because 25 for me was yesterday. I mean, it was yesterday, man. I thought my age and the life I'm in right now would happen over time. And it felt like it would never come. Well, now that it's here, it feels like I wasted a lot of time partying too hard. Okay, treating my body like an amusement park, or just not worrying about the fact that your body is going to demand you take better care of it later. That if you don't have a chiropractor, get one now. Okay, chiropractor can't necessarily fix what you got going. Okay, they can make you feel better, but if you have a chiropractor in your 20s, then the 30s and the 40s and the 50s are going to be much better life for you. If I wish I would have learned that how my diet was going to affect me back when I was in my 20s and 30s and 40s. Now that I'm 28, it doesn't treat me very well. I thought I got all the exercise I needed, and then all of a sudden I turned around and I wasn't the really overtly skinny dude I was when I was a kid. I mean, I was gaunt. I was svelte. I was, for some people, kind of inappropriately skinny. That's not something you can say about me anymore. And the older you get, the tougher it is to get that under control, because your body just finally just starts to say, stop it, and I'm done with you. So what are you doing to take care of yourself? And why aren't you doing it now? Don't wait, man. Take it. Use me as a cautionary tale. Okay? I'm Bill. This is Creative License. And maybe I'll see you next week, but I'll probably be gone. Dead. Peace.